Today we're going to be repairing this hole in our screen door. The thing we're going to do is wash around lightly. We'll do both sides. So we just ordered this screen repair tape from Amazon. We'll put the link below. We're going to test it out to see how it goes. So the next thing we're going to do is just lightly trim the hole so that there's no frayed edges. Just want it to be nice and flat. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Now we're going to measure and trim our tape to the desired length that we want. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is peel the clear film off. Then I will stick this adhesive side to the screen. Okay, so then we'll go ahead and attach this. You're going to want to try to get it as straight on, get it to line up as evenly as you can. It's a little bit confusing because both sides are sticky, but we'll see how it goes. So now we've got our hole patched. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs. Hopefully you subscribe.